Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Queen Master app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps, come to apps is here, and here you're looking here for so Coin Master app, or just click on search, add here Coin Master app. It's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this is click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache, then all you have to do, you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. You search here for Coin Master, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.